Alright, so what's going on today? Feel like doing some blacksmithing. It's probably been a couple of years since I've done any, but anyways, I got this old forge first of the summer. So I'm gonna see if I can get this working. Heat some steel. Now I don't have any coal, but what I do have is lots of hot coals on my stove right now. So for all I'm doing today, might work out all right. Handle was bent, so I use that pipe wrench. Nothing perfectly straight, but I should be able to turn it now. It's a little bit frozen there. Anyway, probably just heat a bit of water, add that to it, get everything freed up and turning, and I don't know, see what happens. So I'm buying a hay bine. I went and looked at it Monday. I'm gonna go get it Saturday morning. So that'll be a whole new video, different video, I guess. So anyways, for now, see if I can get something working here, and probably move it around behind the mill building, set my anvil up. Anyway, see what I can do. Well, I don't know how well this is going to work. Pretty good heat coming there. Let's get some steel in there. See what happens. Say there's more important things I should be doing, but one of those days I'm just kind of itching, right? Wow. Yes, sir. Yeah, kind of impressed. Ashes everywhere, but I'm outside, so it don't matter. So, say, it looks like it might work. Some heat out of there. My anvil set up there, so. A little horseshoe here. Plowed up my garden. So, I'll start with this. Something else, see what I can make. Maybe I can make a knife out of that. I don't know. We'll find out. And I got some help here. What would you do without chickens to help you? Now. Well, say it does work. Cold be better, but so I'm just trying to heat that branch and the shoe. Get it out of here. I can show you more on it, but got it straightened out pretty good as far as it being bent the way it was. But now I'm going to try and really straighten it out the other way. Right by the toe cork, which I got flattened out. It's a bit of a weak spot there, so may or may not break. But this is just hopefully turn into just kind of a decorative knife, so it's not going to be used Get that nail in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that spike or nail, whatever you want to call it. Got a knife there. I made that a couple years ago. So I'm kicking around. I want to rework it. So anyway, say when I get this out of here and do some work, I'll explain it more. All right, so that's kind of the plan here. Back up here. So I get that wonk out of that branch, getting it straightened out, and it's got that weak spot right there by the toe cork, which I've seen right from the get-go. Who knows how old the shoe is? Could angle grinder it off here somewheres. Just gonna use this piece and do something else with that someday. I don't know. So I can't really straighten that out anymore here because that's just gonna break. So maybe I'll see what I can't do on this end here. So you make a bit of a blade on it. So just kind of decorative anyway. So I have to get some more fuel for the forge and get my tripod set up here eventually. Like say, I don't know, I'm just kind of winging all this. So anyway, see how this ends. And the shoe broke on me. Right, that toe cork. Now, what I got here is kind of starting to look like something. So, all right, heat her up again, I guess. All right, let's add some hickory drumsticks to that. They're old anyway. Tripod's froze. I'll have to maybe go for a coffee break, thaw it out. Yeah, it's starting to take shape, I guess. Tripod's in the house, thawing out. So, hopefully I can get some footage of me hammering this. But I'll probably be doing more of this in the future anyway. Really got to start making time for stuff like this. So then here's the blade. Gonna have to do some grinding work on that. Clean that up. Getting that kind of shaped out and cleaned up for the handle. Say it's just a decorative thing anyway for someone, so it's not gonna, doesn't have to be all that functional, I guess. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be functional at all, but anyways, get her back in the forge. Yeah, it's kind of what I get out of that horseshoe. It's not exactly the best, but anyway, yeah. Now it's just cold and snowing, so I'm just gonna give up out there. Put a bit more finish work into that here someday. But anyway, that's it for now. Have to do some more smithing eventually and try and set up better so I can actually do more or do better videos of it. Anyway, later.